When you pick your own archetype, thinking you know what your clients want, you might show up looking like Superman when your client really needs a Clark Kent. In the Big Bam process, we go beyond the simple personality test that creates a character and into a behavioral-backed personality type quiz. We have poured significant resources into our archetype quiz, tapping the skills of those who are uniquely qualified in the field to create something that will guide you on the journey of discovering your brand personality. This quiz identifies your inherent intrinsic archetype, the one you were born with, and your environmental archetype, which you learn and nurture based on the environment of your upbringing. Together, these two archetypes are what we call your archetypal mix. Once you have your archetypes, the Big Bam process is done through a day-long, one-on-one participatory teaching seminar, or you can join a 3 partial-day group training workshop, or you can do it yourself through our video-guided process. All of our courses come with a 43-page archetype alignment guide that highlights archetypes and how they think and communicate with one another. You also receive a 53-page workbook to use while you work through the process with your guide. Over the course of the workshop, we use your archetypal mix to uncover 1. Identity, including target demographics, target psychographics, your aligned client, your referral source, and your identity perception based on the CAP-FAIR Prism. After we're clear on identity, we move on to analysis, where we uncover your client's pain and discover their hope. We then dig deep to discover how you are the client's guide, not their hero. We show you the process for creating a cash flow-centric strategy for business growth. We help you develop and/or refine your offer to prevent bottlenecks and increase cash flow. We work with you to decide how to implement what you've learned into your business. We then evaluate precisely what success and failure mean, both to you and to your client, and we put all of that together to create a magnetic brand message. With all of this in hand, we are able to then create your BAM shot, a simple but powerful document that puts everyone on the same page with your brand.